Most people don't know this, but this is how you rank #1 on Google. Most people think traffic is just about SEO, but that's only part of the puzzle in 2025. As someone who's been in marketing for over 24 years, I want to share my step-by-step system for blowing up your website traffic this year. And today, I'm going to reveal it for the very first time. First, ranking #1 on Google starts with this. Ubersuggest's SEO site audit tool identifies broken pages, low word counts, duplicate titles, and site speed issues, just to name a few. And it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to fix it. What I love about the Ubersuggest site audit report, not only does it tell you how to fix it, but it tells you what order to do it in based on what should impact your traffic the most. And these hidden errors confuse search engines. And if your site isn't crawlable, your content doesn't matter. Using this audit report gives you a prioritized roadmap so you know what to fix first that'll have the biggest impact. Good SEO isn't just about your site though. It's about beating your competition. When you create a project within Ubersuggest, it monitors your competitors as well, your rankings, your backlinks, and your fresh content too. So you can reverse engineer what's working for you and your competition. SEO is a race, not against Google, but against the top ranking sites in your space. And tracking your competitors gives you real-time insights on what's working so you can move faster and smarter. Your content won't rank unless you do this. Ubersuggest reveals keyword volume, SEO difficulty, and cost per click. This is what someone's willing to pay per click if they're bidding on this keyword in a Google ad. The key is to find low keyword difficulty, that means it's easy to rank for, and high cost per click keywords, because that signals money-making opportunities. If a business is willing to spend a lot of money on a cost per click ad, that usually means that keyword's driving conversions. And if it's easy to rank for, that means if you target that keyword and rank at the top, you're much more likely to not only get traffic, but traffic that converts into revenue. And the best part about these keywords is they're easy for even small businesses to start seeing wins with. Most people think AI can do everything SEO for them, but you should avoid using AI for this one thing. We did an experiment with 68 websites. We created 744 articles, half human written, the other half AI written with human assistance. The human written content got 5x more traffic than the AI content on a monthly basis from Google. Google's algorithm rewards E, experience, expertise, authority, and trust, which AI struggles to replicate. AI just creates regurgitated information that everyone already sees on the web. It doesn't mean AI is useless. AI is still very useful for a lot of tasks, such as content ideation, or helping you adjust the tonality of your content, or even translating and transcribing your content into multiple languages so that way you can rank on Google overseas. This is one of the easiest ways to boost your SEO. Ubersuggest Backlinks Opportunity Report shows you all the sites linking to your competitors, but not you. See, if someone links not 1, not 2, but 3+ of your competitors and they don't link to you, they're pretty much competitor agnostic, in which they're willing to link to anyone. And if you can create better content than your competition and you hit that site up, they're much more likely to link to you because they link to other competitors. And if your page is more up-to-date and fresh and more thorough and detailed and provides a better user experience, why wouldn't they swap out one of those links or just add a link to you? And you can even personalize the outreach by creating a custom email with ChatGPT and then shoot that off to each individual site that you're reaching out for a link for. To win in SEO in the long term, you need to do this. Branded searches, people typing in your name or your company name into Google, is a major ranking factor. And your content, when you push it across social media and email, it increases people looking and searching for your brand. See, in 2025, the average person interacts with the brand 11.1 times before they buy. So you need to be everywhere they're hanging out. And when you go omni-channel with your content, you put it on social media, email, SMS, and more channels, it builds brand equity that lifts your SEO and your traffic results because it causes more people to search for your brand on Google. Your old website content isn't dead, it just needs a refresh. I want you to go into Google Search Console and look for declining posts. When you look at the top keywords that are driving you traffic, Google Search Console also has a page tab. You can look at the pages that are getting traffic. You can compare the results over the previous year. The pages that are declining in traffic usually need to be updated with new stats, better formatting, or even information that they may be missing. See, Google favors fresher content. This is why Wikipedia ranks for everything on Google, because it's consistently updated. Would you rather read a 3-year-old article or a 3-week-old article? Of course, you're gonna pick the 3-week-old article because it's more fresh, updated, probably more relevant to what you're looking for. By revisiting your old content and continually updating it, it drives more gains. And Google Search Console shows you the posts that are declining, which are the posts that need to be updated. And you can prioritize the ones based on the biggest traffic drops. Avoid these SEO mistakes at all costs. Having multiple pages on the same topic makes Google unsure which one to rank, so none of them perform well. You need to have a clear website structure, a main page, supporting articles that all link back, and a logical hierarchy. I want you to think about a library. If your website is on marketing like mine is, when you go into a library, wouldn't you expect all the marketing content to be in one section and the SEO content to be in a subsection of that? And there wouldn't be a book on link building and then another book on link building across the library in a totally different section? Google focuses rankings based on topics. You need to cover a topic thoroughly and cover it fully, and don't have competing articles. This way, you start ranking better and faster. Now, if you enjoyed this video on SEO, check out this other video on how Google's dying. They're still really popular, but they're dying in market share, and here's how you need to adapt.